this is Dr. Long, your Hurricane, Utah chiropractor, and I am here with Tommy, who originally came in a couple years ago for issues related to pregnancy and back pain and some other problems, and she'll kind of talk about that for a second at the end. But we're here to check her and get her adjusted. And so to begin with, we're going to have her turn her back towards me, just look straight ahead, arms down to her side. So we look at the posture. See how things line up, and looks good. Let's look at a side view. We want to see is the ear over the shoulder, and with her, she lines up really good. So we're going to see how things are moving. So we'll put her head forward as far as you can. Look up at the ceiling. Good, straight ahead. We'll tip your head to the right and to the left. To the right again. Tighter to the left?
Yeah, the both is tight.
Is it? You have how many kids?
Five.
Five kids, so that gives her a little bit of stress. So on this left side, we can feel some areas that are restricted and bound up. So we'll start with that. Just go ahead and lay down on your back here. Face up. Start up at the top of the neck. 7 joints or 7 vertebrae in the neck. So we go down and feel each one. The left side is where they're, you can feel that right there. Start with that one. And very good. And the right side, down at the base of her neck. There we go. Distract. Pressure off the spine. Good. Go ahead and flip around on your stomach, face down. So straight down, we can feel all the way from the base of the head down. So we got 1, 2, 3. Some tightness there. Take that one out. Good. Go. It's the area that goes to the lungs. Here. Low back, we'll go down and check the legs. Go ahead and stay right there, face down. All lined up. No short leg. So just loosen that low back up. Go ahead and lay on your right side down, turn towards me this way. This leg up. There. Isolate the spot we want to move. Twist a little bit. There you go, other side. You probably heard that in the camera. So, go ahead and stand up over here. And let's check that neck again. Look over that shoulder and this way. Good. All right, she's all tuned up. We'll let her take a second and tell you about her pregnancy.
So I came in at the end of my pregnancy and I was just all sort of jacked up. And Dr. Long adjusted me and it relieved so much pain and it relieved so much of the tightness in my belly and back that my delivery ended up being so smooth and fast. And in the past my deliveries were so long and hard and very painful. And so with his adjustment, it really did 100% better for me. And then after my pregnancy, I came in just to get realigned after the baby was and haven't had any problems since. So
great.
Yeah, so it's been awesome.
Great. So there you have it. After a pregnancy and for back issues, and that's Tommy's story, and that's all we have for now. I'm Dr. Tony Long, the Hurricane Chiropractor, and we'll see you next time.